Let me introduce the educational video, the approaches and methodology. The main features: the systematic way of teaching, structured knowledge, and topic-oriented, and the best teachers know explanation. Combine the audio, video, teacher's explanation, and textbook all in one. The course features. In each course, we will choose the moderate level, the proper level. The level classification is very important. Otherwise, give the text too hard for you, you fed up. Too easy, you lose interest. So we must choose carefully. At the same time, we give the English and the Chinese interpretation for higher level. We will use all vocabulary builders and sentence builders to extend the vocabularies. At the same time, if the courses are prepared for exam, the examination scale will be explained.